The year 1975 witnessed the birth of Emson in the industrial town of Ludhiana in a family of engineers. With a humble beginning and a strong zeal to produce world-class forging components, the group today is a renowned name in auto component space. 50 years of sheer dedication, adaptation of advanced technologies and impeccable customer services has transformed Emson Group into a leading manufacturer of precision auto components for world-renowned OEMs in India and overseas. Emson today has over 400 technologically advanced machines housed in two spacious plants, Emson Gears Limited and Osho Forge Limited, spread over an area of 40 acres. The company has employee strength of over 2,000 people consisting of professionals, engineers, technocrats and skilled workmen. Emson's current turnover is 7,050 million rupees and it is poised to achieve 15,000 million rupees or $175 million in sales revenue by the year 2030. Emson is driven by a vision to be one of the top 5 most trusted Indian brands for engines, transmissions and differential components. Emson has forging plant with the capacity to produce 25,000 metric tons of finished forgings annually. The plant has fully automated isothermal annealing facility to carry out heat treatment of the entire volume of forging produced. Emson's machine shop is one of the largest in North India with a covered area of 650,000 square feet with an annual capacity to produce 5 million units of transmission gears and shafts. Emson houses over 400 CNC-aided gear manufacturing machines of world-famous brands such as Liebherr, Doosan, Mazak HMC, Forter, Power Shaving Gleason, Hearth and multiple shaving cutter sharpeners of Gleason Hearth. Profile Grinding Viper 500 for highly precision gear train components. We have dedicated Klangenberg dry cutting line with C30, C50 and C29 for crown wheel and pinion sets plus spiral grinding G27. Automatic straightening machine. Emson also has electron beam welding facilities for double gears and synchro assemblies. Emson has large vertical broaching machines with capacity of 80 metric tons from American Broach, USA and Anderson Cook spline rolling machines for forming cold-formed splines on shafts and rear axles. Emson plant can churn out 600,000 crown wheels and pinion sets annually for cars, trucks, tractors, defense vehicles and earth-moving equipment. Emson products undergo series of checks and rigorous testing to ensure minimum noise levels, optimum level of performance and durability. Emson's captive forging plant has a capacity to produce 500,000 rear axle shafts annually for OEMs. Emson has world-renowned ZF make internal gear rolling machine to produce synchro hubs, synchro sleeves and clutch bodies for automotive gearboxes. The heat treatment facility is well equipped with over a dozen sealed quench furnaces, carburizing furnaces, rotary hearth furnaces, automatic induction hardening machines. Emson is accredited with IATF 16949 certification from DNV. Emson's standard room and metrology lab is equipped with the state-of-the-art testing equipment like Klingenberg P40 and P65 gear analyzers, Hexagon Global CMMs, Contour Scope, GearMate and MeasureMate gear roll testers, etc. to name a few. Emson's world-renowned customers are Tata Motors Limited, Mahindra and Mahindra Limited, Volvo Eicher Commercial Vehicles Limited, SML Isuzu Limited, Tractor and Farm Equipment Limited, CNH Industrial India Private Limited, JSW Defence Ventures Limited, International Tractors Limited, Escorts Kubota Limited, Action Construction Equipment Limited, Mastio Gaspardo India Private Limited. Most prestigious automotive and tractors giants have bestowed honour on Emson Gears for outstanding contribution in faster development, engineering excellence and supply management. Emson has spread its wings in international market and has large presence in Middle East, Southeast Asia, Africa and North and South American countries. Exports function are headed by a highly qualified professional with over 25 years of experience in handling international business dealings. Emson has a Government of India recognized export house based in Delhi NCR. Emson Group discharges its obligations on corporate social responsibility and has supported training and employment to weaker section of society. Empowering women is Emson's focus area and 10 to 12% of its workforce is female. ESG activities are in place to comply with government regulation and corporate customers' requirement. The young and energetic leadership, blended with over 5 decades of expertise on Emson promoters, rededicate itself to be the most revered and trusted auto component brand, extending best value for money to its prestigious customers. Emson Gears, leading manufacturers of transmission gears and shafts.